Good morning, children. How are you? Yesterday, we discussed about some words which shows or which describe people's nature or quality. Helpful, sharing, teasing, loyal, naughty, cheerful, selfish, clever, careless. And we also discussed about their meanings in deep. Right, children? Yes. Today, we are going to know a story about the king and the monkey. See, a king had a pet. He treated it like a friend. Let us find out what happened to them. Yes, children, most of us having pets. Yes, now we are having pets. Do you have? Yes, mostly we keep with us some dogs, cats, sometimes parrot, like that. First of all, what is a pet? What is a pet animal? Means animal which we keep with us for our company, for our entertainment, for our time pass. Understand, children? So this is what a pet. So we play with our pets, right? Yes, we make fun with our pet. So we keep these animals for our company, for our time pass, for our entertainment. Yes, children. Here also a king had a pet. That is what? A monkey. Understand, children? Later what happened? Okay, Nachar. Yes, let us know what happened. See, once there was a king who had a pet monkey. Yes, once there was a king. What? He had a pet monkey. The king was very fond of his pet and treated him like a friend. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. How he treated him like a friend. King treated this monkey how? Like a friend. The monkey was silly. The monkey was silly, but the king thought he was funny. See, the monkey was silly. Silly means what? Foolish. SILLY. Silly means what? Foolish. But the king thought he was funny, means doing joke or to make smile. Understand, children? Yeah, this monkey was doing silly things, foolish things. But king thought he was funny, doing joke to make me smile, he thought. The monkey moved about freely in the palace. He even entered the king's bedroom. See, the monkey moved about freely in the palace. Yes, we are also allow our pets to move in our home freely. They will come even our bedroom. Understand, children? Kitchen, hall, all the rooms they are roaming. Why? We gave them free chance to move. Understand, children? So here also king allowed monkey to move freely in the palace. Understand, children? How he even entered the king's bedroom. No one can enter the king's bedroom, but he allowed the monkey to come in bedroom. Understand, children? Yes, that much freeness given by the king to the monkey. Next, what happens? See. One afternoon, the king was resting. He told the monkey to keep watch while he slept. See, one afternoon. Okay, the king was very tired, so he was taking rest. The king was resting. Before taking rest, he told the monkey what? To keep watch while he slept. To keep watch means what? To protect me while I am sleeping. Someone may disturb. You watch me. You protect me. Understand, children? He told the monkey to keep watch while he slept. Understand, children? Next, see. Suddenly, a fly came in through an open window. Fly, house fly, you know, children? Yeah. Suddenly, a fly came from where? In through an open window. Through an open window. That's why, children, you always close your windows. Otherwise, flies, mosquitoes, some other nonsense birds will come inside. So always close the windows. Or you do one thing, you fit that what? Net. You fit net to the window. Then you can open windows. Okay, na? That window, that net prevent all these what? Mosquitoes, house flies, these all coming inside. Yes, children. Yes. The monkey said to the fly, "Hello, friend. Please do not disturb the king. He is sleeping." Yeah. What happened? Suddenly a fly came. So the monkey said to the fly, "Hello, friend. Please do not disturb the king. Please do not disturb the king. Why? He is sleeping. If you disturb him, he will wake up. He will scold me." He said to me, what? He told me, the monkey, to keep watch while he slept. He told me to keep watch. If you disturb the king, he will wake up. So, hello friend, please do not disturb the king. The fly did not answer, did not say anything. It flew away and sat on a bowl of fruits. Yes. The fly did not say anything, did not answer. Simply, it flew away, not outside. It simply sat on a bowl of fruits. Sat on a bowl of fruits. Understand, children? Yes. Remaining story, tomorrow we will continue. Okay, children? Okay, thank you, ma.